Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be showing you how to make a pocket cut. On my piece of stock, I have a pocket or a hole that needs to be cut out of the center of it. To do this, I'm going to start with my jigsaw tilted up. I'm going to squeeze my trigger. Once it has reached full speed, I'm going to slowly bring it down onto my line until it cuts all the way through. Once it cuts through, I'm going to continue forward. I am then going to continue this for the other sides. And now I have my pocket cut out.